This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Today's Friday, December 17th, 2010, and today we're going to take a look at EMMS Communications. This is a NASDAQ Global Select stock trading under ticker EMMS. Trending sideways for several months, kind of fell off a cliff from up here around $2 all the way down to 50 cents. In a pretty good channel going downward, but now it looks like it's actually trying to make a higher low coming off this bottom. So let's see what the indicators are saying. Still seeing an uptrend, got a signal line cross, histogram's popped above zero. Same way with the PPO. We're going to look for this to try and continue and break through that level right through there. We want to see it make a higher high. The PPO is the same as the MACD in that case. The ADX kind of in a classic reversal position, something that we always look for. Nice pinch setup right through here. Be a little bit skeptical because it didn't get a bounce off that pinch. That's one thing I always look for. Try and pay attention to how it performs when it's in that sort of position. But from a technical standpoint, it is set nice to try and reverse. MFI, we've got the 7 and the 21, which have both pushed through 50 at this point. I want to see them hold up there. The 21 is going to still have a little bit of a twist down coming because the 7 already took the dip based on it, and the 14 is still just now trying to recover. So it's right then back through this area. The 21 is still going to have a little dip that's going to be scheduled for it because of some selling that went on right through there. But overall, not a bad position of the MFIs as well. Seeing just a hint of an uptrend again in the accumulation distribution. And a pretty good uptrend overall in the Chaikin money flow. Selling still been dominant, but it's trending back towards zero. It's something that we want to see while that price per share is trending down. We want to see that positive divergence with indicators, and that's the Chaikin money flow trending up. Same way with the CCI, holding above negative 100 is a bullish sign. And a similar look with the full still. We want to see that break through this little wedge it's got going on. Right through there, we want to see this make a higher high and try and trend back towards 50. Primarily bearish in this position, trending this close to 20. So we'll want to see it try and make a twist and put some sort of bullish aspect to it. Trick showing an uptrend. Once again, we're going to look for a downtrend to fall. Looks like we're about ready to get a signal line cross. So I pay attention to that. We want to see this channel be established trending back towards zero. It's usually a pretty strong indicator of a reversal. RSI is trying to hold out of oversold. Again, an uptrend to them as well. So we're going to look for that penetration of 50. What I see when I look at this was a channel that was kind of established right through here. And right through that area. Pretty good downtrend. Not to try and tie it up with too many lines, but now we're starting to see a little bit of an uptrend, a higher low being established so far. So we're going to look for this to try and come up and challenge that trend line and move through this resistance level right in that area of 53. Support, resistance. We want to see that resistance fall, break that trend line, and try and put a new uptrend to this chart from coming off the bottom. That'll put it through the 20-day moving average, get it trading on the upper side of the Bollinger Bands. And in that position, it has a pretty nice potential to try and establish an upward trend. Volume's 163,000 shares. That's a little bit low, but about average for what this stock normally trades. I didn't take a look at the share structure. We'd like to see a little bit increased volume, but it can probably push through that resistance without too much of an increase. If it can make it up here near the 50-day moving average, that's when we're really going to want to see a little bit of volume explosion and see if it can move above that level. Definitely going to see some more resistance in through this area at 60 cents. It's going to be pretty strong if it can make it up there near 75 cents. Closed at 50, so you're talking a 50% move to even get there. 20% move to come up here and see this 60 cents. So the potential gains, if this can make a move from a percentage standpoint, are very good. From a support level, want to see it hold right above that level right there. 46, 47 cents. I don't want to see it dip much lower. I want to see the higher low continue to be established. And that puts me within 10%. It's only about 7% away. So it's a pretty close stop loss, which will help minimize losses if it does decide to break down. So we'll be keeping an eye on EMMS and see what this is going to do from this point forward. Again, to reiterate, hold that support. Let's break that resistance and break through that trend line and see where the stock can go from there. As always, this is merely my interpretation. This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.